Be the first owner of this fantastic newly built open floor plan located in a community-friendly neighborhood of Ruskin. As you pull into the house, you will notice the ample space on this quarter-acre lot. Plenty of space for parking for all your vehicles. With room to roam and plenty of space for your RV, boat, or any toys you'd like to store. With No Hoa to tell you what you can or can't do on your property. As we enter the home, you'll appreciate the crown molding in the entrance hallway. Additional features are luxury vinyl flooring installed throughout the entire home. No carpet whatsoever. The main bedroom is located conveniently in the front of the house, away from the other bedrooms. The main bathroom boasts a fantastic tile shower featuring glass doors, granite countertops, and his and hers Undermount sinks. Oh, and don't forget the spacious walk-in closet. You will appreciate the openness as you make your way into the great room and kitchen and more crown molding. Get ready to invite all your friends and family for gatherings. Your home will be the new place to be. Your new fantastic kitchen features wonderful upgrades and includes beautiful granite countertops, brand new Samsung stainless appliances, deep undermount single bowl stainless steel sink, ample storage space in cabinetry, a spacious pantry, solid wood cabinetry subway tile backsplash. There is another full bathroom in the hallway of the 3 other bedrooms featuring a ceramic tile tub/shower, granite countertop, and natural lighting through the window. The 2-car garage is extra tall and has so much space it's insane. At the rear of the home you will find an ample-sized deck waiting for your barbecue grill and lounge chairs. This home is conveniently located within a 5-minute drive to marinas, shopping, restaurants, parks, and more. You are in close driving distance to all the Gulf beaches, MacDill AFB, shopping malls, and all the amenities Tampa Bay offers. Disney is only an hour and a half away. Whether you've been looking for a home away from home or a place to raise your family, you'll find it here.